Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to trade volume in TradingView. So basically volume, let us start. So first of all, for me I will see the volume down below. You can open this as default for the volume based on daily candlestick. You can also add one more indicator. For example, you can add volume profile. And volume profile will show you the volume at specific range of time. So for me, I will choose a volume profile fixed range as for my volume profile indicator. And this is one of my favorite indicator that I mostly use during my trade. So basically you can see this area down here. Let me plot it up. So basically this area down here will be a very strong support or resistance zone, because this area consists of very high volume in this area. So basically this area, if it break upwards, means that it will show a very strong reversal trend, as most of the people will accumulate at this area compared to previous. So I will show you how. Basically, as you can see, this area will have a very strong volume, as you can see, compared to others, this additional area. So this area, strong volume, strong support and resistance. So you must remember, strong support, resistance. Okay, so how can we plan our trade? For example, at this area, if it is going downwards, means that it break the support resistance, it will definitely have a reversal trend going more downwards. And also the similar effect, if it going upwards, it break its support or resistance, definitely it will show a reversal trend. Here is the zone top and also the zone bottom down below here. So basically you can see this area region, and currently it is at the last previous resistance area. As you can see, it dropped down after it reaches this area. So basically this area will be a very strong resistance. This area resistance. So currently at this area, if it break higher compared to the resistance level, definitely it will show a reversal going more bullish upwards. But if it can break the resistance, it will definitely go down to the region here. So to plan your trade, you need to see this area is a quite very significant area, 495 or even 5. So basically you need to plan your trade, have to see the resistance and support level. So let us see a longer time or period, 1 year. Okay, so 5 year. So as you can see, basically for this stock, it is a sideways zone, and it is the volume here, you can see very high volume here. So means that this area is confirmed be a very strong boundary box, as many people will be accumulate in this area. So this is accumulate volume at this area. So basically if it breaks this boundary of volume, it will definitely have a reversal trend, either going upwards or going downwards. So basically if it break this volume, you definitely go upwards, or if you break down, it will definitely go downwards. If we break the support and resistance, so basically this top here will be the resistance, and the bottom will be the support. So basically volume will show how people accumulate at the area, and you can use volume to plan your trade, or even set your cut loss or take profit. Cut loss, take profit. So yeah, this is how you can plan your strategy using trading volume profile. So thank you.